In case you guys have been living under a rock, Apple has released a brand new iPhone 12 color. This is the color purple. Fun little fact, Steve Jobs' favorite color was purple. And I would say this is easily my favorite iPhone 12 color. This is beautiful to look at, stunning. It pops, but it's very simple at the same time. You see what I did there? SimplyPops. The frame is still aluminum, while the back is glass, while the camera module is the frosted glass. You still have the dual camera setup here, so one wide and ultra wide. It's exactly the same components, but just in purple. And to go along with Steve Jobs' favorite color, the perfect iPhone to go with is the iPhone 12 mini, because as you guys know, in the early days of iPhones, we had the same size, 3.5 inch. This is the smallest modern iPhone to date, and it still packs a punch. And just imagine a purple iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. That would be pretty sick. Or even a product red 12 Pro. That would be even cooler. But purple is still a nice color. Should have been there from the rip, but nonetheless, better late than never. But be warned that the next generation iPhone, the iPhone 13 or the 12S, will release in 5 months. So just keep that in mind. And overall, this phone, I'm sure, is not gonna have no signs of slowing down. Still gonna have all the software updates to come. All right, so what about accessories? You brought your purple iPhone, you wanna pimp it out, you wanna bring the best out of this purple color. Let's take a look at some purple accessories. All right, so this one here is for my Apple Watch users. So to go along with your purple iPhone, I have a watch band here. I'll throw a link in the description to all the accessories that are featured. Here's how it looks side by side, 1-to-1. This lavender, like the colors just complement each other really nicely. Sometimes you don't want to match it too much. This is going to be so sick. When you have your purple iPhone 12, you have your Apple Watch on, you're going to be styling. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, if you have a space gray Apple Watch, this might not look the best with this lavender. Okay, so if you want to adjust it, you got to pull this. Okay. Yeah, so you literally just slap on the band and you're good to go. So now, I have my iPhone in my hand. Yo, this is clean. This is very clean. I'm going to rock this for the rest of the video, actually. So the cable that was included inside the box is pretty boring. Just a white Apple cable. Spice it up with the Energizer braided Lightning to USB cable. Okay, you have the official license. So this is MFI certified. Good charge and sync. Ooh, this is going to be clean, clean, clean. Look at this, guys. Whoa. This is the combo right here. So when you plug in your iPhone at night, this is clean. Go along with the purple theme. Have the lavender braided Energizer lightning cable. This is it. And this is going to last you too, because the nylon braided cable is just going to, take a little bit more wear and tear. Now the only caveat, this is USB-A, so you're not getting fast charging here, but it matches perfectly. Perfectly. Alright, so next up on the list, AirPod case. Now, AirPods are insanely popular, so maybe you have a pair of AirPods. Why not pick up a case to go along with your purple iPhone? Now, this is not really one-to-one, but it could complement each other really nice. Let's grab some AirPods. I got my name engraved, SimplyPops 2020. And let's just slide this bad boy in there. And you have a carabiner clip, so you can clip this onto your keys very easily. And then boom, voila, that's it. Now you can still see the LED, but the corners, it has a little extra shock absorption, so you're not going to damage the AirPods case through the case. Now let's say you're a pro. You have AirPods Pro. You're about that life. I have one for you too. So yeah, so pretty much the same exact thing, but the AirPods Pro one is a little lighter compared to the standard one. Now let's see how it look with the iPhone here. More than anything, this is more pink, but it still somewhat goes along nicely with the purple iPhone. And you have this little fur ball, so you might be into that. My AirPods Pro here. Let's put this on. Fits like a glove. And it's pretty much the same exact fit, or same exact concept as the standard one. Pretty much same exact one. And it works just fine. Make sure all the corners are in. And yeah, goes along with your Apple Watch, goes along with your iPhone. And to add a little bit more cuteness or furriness, you can add this little fur ball. Whatever tickles your peach. So let's say you want to add a little spice to the purple iPhone. I have a case for you. So you're having protection. I believe this one here is the Cosmo series. And look at this. Look at this case, yo. Okay, this is for the standard 12. So yeah, this is 1-to-1. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is beautiful. And of course you have a nice little lip protection going on. So if you drop it on his face, you know, it's not gonna land directly on the screen. I still recommend a screen protector. Really aim towards the Caseify. It's all glass, it covers the notch. But overall, this is really beautiful. You don't actually feel the glitters or anything. It's just like a smooth plastic. But aesthetically, this is definitely pleasing. Next up on the list, we have this Magsafe wallet. This is definitely cheaper than the official Apple one. Of course, going along with the theme, this is lavender. You could attach it right on the back of your iPhone 12, just like so. And it's gonna be on the back of your iPhone thanks to magnets on the back. Now, let me see how. Now on the mini it's probably perfect because it fits with the phone perfectly, but this is not sliding off. Because I'm thinking if you have tight jeans and you put it on your pocket, it could kind of slide down. But this is, yeah, I think if you really try hard enough. Now keep in mind, if you have a case on, this might not work 110%. So just keep that in mind. Let me put some credit cards inside and let's see how it looks. Alright, so here's my Apple card. And I just have an Apple gift card here. I would stick only 2 cards in there. So now you always have your driver's license, your credit card, all your important cards right here on the back of your phone. Now in terms of the 12, you have a little space on the sides, but not too significant. And same thing like the mini, this is not going anywhere. So really, this is way cheaper than Apple's. I recommend this one. The only thing missing is the Apple logo, but same functionality, same thing. Next up on the list, we have a lavender purple stand for the iPhone, and you can run the Energizer lightning cable that we mentioned previously. And yeah, this is a 1-to-1 nice combo here. Put this on your nightstand, have it charge, and you're good to go. This is excellent for watching movies, landscape or portrait, FaceTime calls. This is a must-have easily. And it kind of looks like an iMac stand from a distance, so 1-to-1 with the Apple ecosystem. We have a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. Okay, amplify your iPhone speaker. Ooh, hold up. You guys see what I'm seeing? This is clean. This is the definition of clean right here. You see what I mean? Like, wow. When you have everything matching along with your products, the most satisfying thing ever. Okay, so you have your micro USB, no Type-C unfortunately, and it has a micro SD card, so you can store some music on the micro SD card and play it directly here. Okay, and then turn it around, you have your plus button just to increase the volume, your play, pause, answer, and end phone call, your minus button to turn it down, and you have this nice little, little strap here, so you could basically hang the speaker up in your bathroom, whatever case may be. You could really be fancy with this speaker here. And just look at the 1-to-1, the colors, yo. The colors on this, man. And to go alongside with your purple lightning cable too. Yeah. Maybe you want something that packs a punch a little bit more. This is where the Wonder Boom comes into play. Ultimate ears. And of course, going along with the theme, this is purple. A better presentation, I must say. All the colors. Of course, you can have this floating on the water. Costs $99. Thank you, Amazon, for reminding me. Oh my God. First and foremost, this presentation is nice. And of course, let's do a color comparison check. Yeah, no problems with this. Now it is, it has this aqua color, or this teal color I should say, but that teal color, that's what make it pop. You don't want to match everything, and you are getting a small loop this time around. You have really big plus and minus buttons there. Okay, and then of course you have some flaps here. Okay, so it does take a micro, no Type-C present, and this whole bottom part is a rubber, so when you put it on your desk, it's not going anywhere. And overall, this kind of reminds me of like a mini HomePod. Look at this. Speaker grill all around. And it matches perfectly with your iPhone. What more can you ask for? We have some screen protectors for the mini and for the regular 12. And the best thing too about this screen protector is all screen. So you don't have like a cutout of the notch. Everything is completely fully protected. And it's real tempered glass. It says go away. You got this clear back so you showcase the color of your phone. So we got one for the mini. It says SS. Okay, that's my first and last initial. We have a little bit more protection. This is for the regular 12. So it's not one-to-one exactly. It complements each other. So you have the purple and the pink, and technically this is a lavender. I would say this is gonna be a nice clean setup. I wish it was more purple. Kind of flows with the color a little bit. But yeah, it looks clean. I would say it looks pretty clean. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I have some Apple cases. I really do want to see how that's gonna look. So you guys don't want to miss that video. So we have some pink colors here going on. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think about these cases for the purple iPhone. So protect your iPhone with a Caseify case. Use my link in the description for 15% off. Alright guys, and there you have it. Purple iPhone 12 accessories for your purple iPhone 12. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think. Of course, all the links will be linked down below, as well as the Caseify cases. Remember, if you use that link in the description, you get 15% off. And drop a like on this video and subscribe with notifications on for more videos like this.